Hello, Cleveland. Now that I have the microphone settings set up, I'm going to re-record this video. Hey. Okay, so we'll start off here with Bitcoin. As you can see, not much has changed from yesterday. We're still seeing this head and shoulders pattern on the 6-hour chart that would play out to 105K. And on the daily chart, we're still seeing this bull flag that would play out to 122K. We haven't fallen out of either of them. They're still there. Still holding strong over that 94K support. As you can see that both yesterday's candle and today's candle are just doing this little spin top thing here. That spin top candle pattern, that indicates a reversal. So reversal from the momentum that we're seeing currently would be from this downward swing here to put in another higher low and then reverse on up to hopefully hit our targets anywhere between 105 to 122. Say 105, 109, 115, 122. There's different ways to measure it, but the real factor here is where do the whales start taking profits? I personally have already started taking some profits, not off Bitcoin. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. However, I have started taking profits on XRP. I've already drawn this the last time around. So please excuse the drawings. I'll just go over what I did before. So basically, as we can see, XRP has made its way almost to its all-time high. Where's its all-time high? Well, that would be right back here on Monday, the 1st of January, that 4-day period, 2018. With an all-time high of $3.31. Now, we haven't quite made it there yet. Right now, we've just seen a high of $2.90, but we should see a reversal here. This is why I've been taking some profits. I've left myself a moon bag. I haven't sold all of my XRP, but I have taken profits. Now, what I mean by a moon bag is I have pulled out my initial investment, and from here on out, whatever I sell is pure profit. I've taken a little profit as well, but whatever I sell now is pure profit. I've been holding it since 2021. I figured it's time to sell. Even if it goes up a little bit more, it's time to sell. Now, the pullback. Why do I think a pullback is coming? Well, take a look here at these tweezer tops on this daily chart here. These tweezer top, this pattern indicates a reversal. Now, what else could indicate a reversal? Well, price action being real far away from the 21-day moving average. Also super far away from the stop and reverse, the SAR, which is hanging out right around 164, which is just now getting into the golden pocket of the fib retracement for this last push-up on XRP. This golden pocket is a likely pullback zone, and if we traced out a bull flag, did the thing, we would see that the target of that bull flag would be $3.50, breaking up and over all-time high. Now, we might see XRP stall out right around all-time high. I will put a yellow line there. That's all-time high, just about. If we can pull up over that, that would be a good sign. I would take some profits there as well, but I would also watch for it to roll over and then retest all-time high as support. It needs to flip this as support to continue upward momentum. If it comes up over and then immediately breaks back down, we could see another little reversal before another move up, depending on when all of this happens and how far into the bull market it is, how close to the peak it is. But a lot of people are calling for XRP to go way, way, way higher. Now, I don't know how high it's going to go, but most likely it's not going to get over $10. To get it to a $10 mark, to get to a $10 price, XRP would need to increase its market cap by, let's check out its market cap real quick. Market cap. Current market cap 143 billion. So it would need a 3x that. It would need to get to a $600 billion market cap. Can it get to that? I mean, possibly, but there would need to be a lot of inflows coming in. And the reason that I say that these legacy coins might have a harder time getting up there is, well, just look at their market cap. It's huge. You have to put in so much more money to move this thing. Granted, this is a big one. Maybe Wall Street starts pouring their money in once ETF gets approved, now that a crypto-friendly chairman is at the SEC. But who knows? And as we do know, you buy the rumor, sell the news. So while we've heard that there's an application in for an XRP ETF, this hasn't been approved yet. That's the rumor. So you could buy some now and expect it to go up some more. I do, but that's why I have a moon bag still. But if you remember back when the Bitcoin ETFs were announced, it ran up all the way up to when they launched. And then when the Bitcoin ETFs launched, we saw a little dip. Why'd we see a dip? Because that's the news. Buying the rumors when we hear about the ETF. The news is when the ETF comes out and the actual news is talking about it. That's when you want to sell. That's when the whales are selling. That's when they're taking their profits. Then they're going to wait for the pullback, get back in, and then they're going to wait for it to go back up and they're going to sell again. Don't be our exit liquidity. Don't be exit liquidity for smart traders. Smart traders sell when XRP looks like this. Dumb traders think that it's going to keep going and they're going to ride it all the way back down to here. And then when you know what's going to happen when it does jump back up to $4, $5, they're going to think the same thing. They're going to think, it's going to keep going up. They're never going to sell. And then you know what's going to happen? They're going to ride it back down. They're going to ride it back down. Ride it all the way back down. The same way that I did in 2021. Because in 2021, when XRP got to roughly at $2, I wrote it up. I didn't sell here. I didn't take profit. I didn't do the right thing. And then I wrote it back down. And then I had to wait 4 years. 4 years to take profit, man. 4 years. It was a long 4 years. Long 4 years. But now I have taken profit. I'm back in the green on XRP. Actually, I was in the green the entire time because I bought it way down at like 50 cents. But yeah, take profit. That's the name of the game. So once again, Bitcoin, not much change today. We're watching for it to stay over 94K. Hopefully this inverted head and shoulders pattern doesn't get invalidated, but it might be invalidated if it gets under that 94K support and flips it to resistance. Let's keep watching what happens today and tomorrow. All right. Much love. See you later.